This video explains how to bid on a load from a posted load email. This video is only for carriers who are not subscribers to Full Circle TMS and get posted load emails from brokers on Full Circle TMS. To become a subscriber to Full Circle TMS and see more posted loads from more brokers, go to www.fullcircletms.com and click the link that says Sign Me Up for the Load Board. Brokers want you to bid by clicking the link to submit your bid online. Doing this will put all the bids into an easy-to-read table for the broker. It will ensure that your bid meets all their load requirements. The broker will get an email of your bid response. You will get a copy of that same email of your bid response. If you are the successful bidder when the broker awards the load, you will get an email notification that you won. If you are not the successful bidder when the broker awards the load, you will get an email notification that you did not win and you can release your truck. To bid yes on a load, simply click the link that says Bid Yes to this load. First, I will quickly demonstrate how you would bid yes by just clicking Bid Yes to this load from the email. This opens a browser where you can review the order information and then submit your bid. By using the bid calculator, I know that $1 a mile is $1,268. If I go $1,300, I know it's $1.03 a mile, so I can use that rate. So that's the rate that I would submit. I must confirm that I have all these things like team service, liftgate, blankets, tracking by GPS, and I've got to tell them where my truck is. So let's say it's in Newark, New Jersey. I have optional information as well, but this is the basic requirements. My bid, that I have all the requirements, and where my truck is, and I can bid yes. Now let's go step by step through the bidding screen. The left side of the screen is a summary of the posted load information. This includes the stops, distances, and truck size, a map showing the stops, all the pickup and deliveries, dates, times, and stop verbs, and the stop time zone. The stop verbs provide important information like protect equals required date and time, ready now is get there as soon as possible, delivery direct says get there ASAP. There's special instructions that the broker provided, the broker information like their DOT, MC number, and the contact phone information, and then the load details like the truck size, pieces, weight, dimensions, etc. The right side of the screen is where you will submit your bid. It will contain required fields that must be completed before you can submit your bid. Brokers post loads with different requirements, so the system will show you which fields are required before you can submit your bid. Your bid amount is always a required field. Enter your rate or use the handy bid calculator button to help you calculate your bid. Entering the rate per mile will multiply your rate by the posted miles to give a bid amount. Entering a flat rate will divide the flat rate by the posted miles to give you a rate per mile. Clicking the Use Rate button will copy the selected number to the bid area. If there are any key load requirements, you must click Confirm on all of them before you can submit your bid. These are important requirements the broker expects you to have and they deem are critical for the success of the shipment. You will not be able to submit your bid unless you confirm all the key requirements. The broker may require you to tell them where your truck is located. If this is tagged as required, you must enter the city and state of the location of your truck. The system will then tell you the distance from your truck to the pickup location, any tolls you will experience on the deadhead move, the amount of time it will take to get to the pickup location using the average speed, and the estimated time of arrival if your truck left now and if it would be early or late to the pickup. You can add optional information about your truck that can help the broker make a decision about your bid. This information can include the length, width, and height of the truck box and the width and height of the door, if the truck is empty or has other freight on it, and if there is a single driver or team driver in the truck. If you cannot make the pickup or delivery date time, you can provide your best alternative date time. To provide a best alternative date time, change the yes to a no, enter your best alternative date time. The system will show you everything in your time zone as well as the time zone of the stop. You can enter an optional bid note. Use this to inform the broker of any important information about your bid. You can also set an expiry date on your bid. If the broker does not accept your bid in time, they will not be able to award you the load. Once you've entered all the mandatory and optional fields, click the Submit Bid button to submit your bid. For your own records, you will receive a copy of your bid via email. The broker also receives a copy of this bid email as well as your bid going into the grid of all the other bids. If your bid is successful, you will receive an email from the broker saying that you won the bid. You can sign into CarrierView to see load information, see your rate confirmation, sign the rate confirmation, and much more. If the broker awards the load to some other company, you will receive an email saying your bid was not successful and to release your truck. If the broker removes the load from the load board without awarding it, you will receive an email saying your bid was not successful and to release your truck. There is no need to contact the broker to ask the status of your bid. If you do not click the link and just respond by a direct email, none of this automation happens. It is also likely the broker will ignore your email altogether, since your email bid will not appear in their bid system. Brokers want you to bid by clicking the link to submit your bid online. Doing this will put all the bids into an easy-to-read table for the broker. It will ensure that your bid meets all their load requirements. The broker will get an email of your bid response. You will get a copy of that same email of your bid response. If you are the successful bidder when the broker awards the load, you will get an email notification that you won. If you are not the successful bidder when the broker awards the load, you will get an email notification that you did not win and you can release your truck. This video is only for carriers who are not subscribers to Full Circle TMS and get posted load emails from brokers on Full Circle TMS. To become a subscriber to Full Circle TMS and see more posted loads from more brokers, go to www.fullcircletms.com and click the link that says Sign Me Up for the Load Board. Thanks for watching this video on how to bid on posted load emails.